So hi, back to the drone thing. Today, I just got this today. Ordered for a while now. They messed up my order, but not a high-end drone. A decent, really decent one. So gonna see what's inside. It's a Shadow Quadcopter. Instruction for app for the phone, menu book. What this? Oh, it's a USB. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Extra play and joystick. Oh, remote control. Oh, got a place to have your phone there. Holder for your phone. And now the actual drone. There's nothing left. Put this aside. Kind of similar to the DJI Mac Pro, Mavic Pro. It's okay build. It's not bad. I mean, for the price that I pay for, it's not that bad. Pretty decent. They said it is, let me see, 1080p HD camera, 3-axle gimbal, follow you when it fly, and a lot more function on it. Have two color, I believe, the black one and the kind of like a gold color one. But yeah, look pretty decent for the price. This, I don't know where it is. USB plug. Oh, I read about it. Probably a battery charger thingy. But I'm gonna update soon. How's the quality of it and how it fly. So click like and subscribe on my channel for more video of drone and other things.